Hi everyone, I'm Joel from Joel Hood Property, and today I'm at 31 Gainsborough Crescent in Peregian Springs, which is a uniquely designed single-storey home on an oversized block and comes with its own brand new self-contained dwelling at the rear. The owners purposely designed the home with a grand entry. You're greeted by a large pivot door and soaring ceilings. As you step into the home, you're instantly drawn to the stunning north-facing in-ground pool. The open-plan living area enjoys windows in all directions to ensure eyes can be kept on the kids and pets at all times. The high ceilings and walls of glass which orientate north also ensure the home is flooded with natural light. The stone-top kitchen features a 900mm freestanding cooker and butler's pantry, which includes a second sink and dishwasher. The master bedroom has views onto the pool through plantation shutters and access to its own external entertaining area. It is serviced with an open ensuite and large walk-in robe. There are 2 further bedrooms with a main bathroom and what could be a 4th bedroom or second living area. The surprise package is the near-new, Hampton-inspired self-contained dwelling, which has been well appointed and offers its own access from the street. This could cater for family or be separately leased. Thanks so much for watching. 31 Gainsborough is a private home that perfectly caters for visiting family and guests. I highly recommend you come and see for yourself. For those interstate and overseas, we're more than happy to walk you through virtually. I'm Joel Hood, and we look forward to seeing you soon.